guys, today it's me, Maruf here. Yeah. So we have some 2 Pro. So today's video is not talking about Zedvix Goldhorns. It's about something else. I know Zedvix Goldhorns thinks that I'm stealing, but I'm not really stealing content. But there's a different situation going on today. So, as you can see, there's an impersonator who's impersonating there's an impersonator who's impersonating Astro Goldhorns. So he made this video, right? Where can I find it? So this is the fake Astro. So he stole Elite Goldhorn's audio because the style of the audio is Elite. Also, there's also another problem. When we go to Astro Goldhorn's video, the real one, well, he wrote this comment 35 minutes ago. But I know that the fake Astro Goldhorn is not PG-13. It is someone else. It used to be Stony the Fox. But I think that it's really literally not Stony the Fox. It's someone else. He is I'm not sure. PG-13 lives in Minnesota. So I'm not sure if he lives in Minnesota. He said he's a Mets fan. PG-13 is not a Mets fan. He's a Twins fan. So he's not PG-13 hockey man at all. And Red Sox fan 23. Congratulations for telling the fake Astro to stop thinking that he's PG-13 hockey man. The fake Astro is not PG-13 hockey man. Believe me, guys. He is not PG-13 hockey man. So, this is a message to fake Astro Goldhorns. So, fake Astro Goldhorns, if you're watching this, you need to stop impersonating other Goldhorn creators and come up with your own stuff. Come with your own name. Stop stealing Astro's logo, username. I know. This happened to me once and for all. But I stopped. And I learned my lesson from impersonating. But you need to do the same thing. Learn your lesson from impersonating. And if you guys don't really know, I just don't know the meaning, I literally knew that, since, that's an April Fool's joke. He will not change his name to E Goldhorns. That was just an April Fool's Day joke. But that's an April Fool's joke. So you gotta stop impersonating Astro Goldhorns. And ask the real Astro Goldhorns. If you're watching this, you can also make a video on the fake Astro, on your impersonator. And I can help you too. Stop the fake Astro. And also, if you think you're a PG-13 hockey man, make a face reveal, fake Astro Goldhorns, because I want to see your face. If your face is PG-13 hockey man, then you still need to stop impersonating. But if you're someone else, then I literally know that the fake Astro is not PG-13 hockey man. And stop. And I said, no, you are not. To to fake PG-13 honking. To the fake Astro Go Horns. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Also, I'm not even stealing content. Zedvix Go Horns, if you're watching this, you need to stop bullying me. Stop bullying me. And for you, the fake Astro Go Horns, stop impersonating. Stop impersonating me. Astro Go Horns. And stop thinking that you're PG talking man. Yeah, those are the 2 reasons. I'll say it again. The first message is to Zedvix Go Horns. If you're watching this, you need to stop thinking that you need to stop thinking that I am stealing content. I am not stealing content. And the second message is Astro Go Horns, the fake one. If you're watching this fake Astro Go Horns, you need to stop impersonating Astro Go Horns and stealing content. I know you're stealing content. I'm not. You are stealing content, fake Astro Go Horns. You need to stop stealing content, fake Astro Go Horns. And Astro Go Horns, I'm helping you. Stop impersonating Astro Go Horns. And Zedvix Go Horns, I am helping you. Stop bullying me from stealing. I'm not stealing content. And Astro Go Horns, I have something else you have to say. Stop impersonating Astro Go Horns, fake Astro. And stop stealing content, fake Astro. And thinking that you're PG-13 hockey man, fake Astro. And Zedvix Go Horns, stop thinking that I am stealing content. I am not stealing content. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.